Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking few cards for your general energies, guys. These are for your general energies, Scorpios. I'll be picking one card for your career situation, one card for your relationship, guys. This is for your career situation and this is for your relationship, and we'll be picking one card from the Rumi Oracle deck. So that is your guidance, guys. We'll open that card at last. For your general energies, Scorpios, Two of Cups in reverse, Ace of Swords, Queen of Cups in reverse. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, you are enjoying great success, great prosperity, guys. So things are unfolding in a beautiful way in your career or your personal life as you had expected. So you are really happy for it. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be going into some collaborations or some partnerships in your business, or it may be your relationship with this person. You may have that mutual understanding and love, guys, in this relationship. And maybe for some of you all, it may take you towards engagement and marriage, and for some reason you may feel that you cannot trust this person. Maybe that may be for some of you all, guys, not that is what I see here, not for everybody. I feel for most of you all it will be a successful relationship with this person, happiness, understanding, and all that positive energy is there, which denotes that great compatibility in this relationship. Maybe for some reason, for some of you all, you may not you may feel that you cannot trust this person totally. They may have their own agenda, or maybe they may be busy sometimes because of their work. They may not find time to spend with you, and you may feel that they are not interested in this connection, but in truth they may be working hard to make things right in their career. So that may be the reason that they are not finding time, guys. That is what I see here. So for your career situation, what is the card? The Star in reverse. So with this card here, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of you all in your career situation, because of your position, you may be a team leader, or you may be the CEO or manager, or you work at the top level, and the way you handle things, you make people do their work. It may sound like arrogance to people who are working with you. In your career situation, they may feel that you are arrogant, bossy, trying to have an upper hand in any situation, trying to control them. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So maybe for some of you all, this may come to your ears. You may get this news about you, how people feel, and it may stress you in some way. You want to become friendly, maybe for some of you all, or maybe some of you all, you may continue the same way, guys, because you want to get that work, get that job done. So you have a particular way of dealing things. So that is what I see here. What is this card for your relationship? It's Page of Wands in reverse. So with this card here, guys, maybe for some of you, you may be getting some important news, some announcements in your relationship. Maybe for some people it may be something bad. We saw that with the previous cards also, some kind of misunderstanding, or you feel that you cannot rely on this person, that trust you have not, you are not able to build that trust in this relationship. So you have some kind of doubts or confusions in this relationship, some kinds, something is clouding your mind about this person. You don't have that clarity about this person, so you are not able to have that complete trust on them, guys. And maybe that may be because of this news, maybe some kind of gossips, or it may be a news about them. Maybe they are interested in someone else. That may also come to your notice. Something is making you feel that you cannot trust them totally. So something is obstructing your trust in this person. That is what I see here, guys. So let's see what is the card for your guidance today, guys. So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but this is a guidance. So whatever questions we have regarding our situation, some deep thoughts, whatever it is, whatever we need to ask, we will meditate about that for a second, and we will turn the card now. Scorpios, these cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. The human gift. With this card, the guidance for your Scorpios is that very soon you will be getting a clear insight into some particular situation, guys. Whatever you had some kind of doubts or confusions in your past, you will see that a situation with clarity, and you will be shocked by what you are seeing right now, what you are perceiving right now. You will just second guess yourself what you thought about that situation for such a long time. So that may be proved wrong today, maybe, or it may be something very bad, whatever you perceive. It may be some darkness, but you have to see that as it is, without that judgment in your heart, guys. You have to see that truth as it is, whatever that is being brought before you. So you will, when you do that, when you see that a situation as it is, even it may be something good, revealing something good about you or somebody, or it may be something bad, revealing about that other person. You have to see that without that judgment. When you do that, you free yourself of the darkness that is that was haunting you so long, and it will free that other person also from that darkness and all, and your whole situation. So you have to see that, you have to have that true perception today, guys. That is what is the guidance here with this card. So whatever is being shown to you, you need to see that without that judgment and fear. You need to see the truth, so you will get that clarity today, guys. That is the oracle's guidance for your Scorpios, and that is the reading for you guys today. So this may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys, this energy. So whatever doubts you were having, so something of the past, you are going to get that clarity today, guys. That is what this card is about, and this is the reading for today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Scorpios. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Bye, guys.